Today, I'm taking you on a tour of a really cool small town along historic Route 66. Welcome to Seligman, Arizona. Seligman is located about 76 miles from Flagstaff, Arizona. It's packed with vintage charm, quirky attractions, and some amazing history you definitely do not want to miss. Originally, it started out in the late 1800s as a railroad town, a key stop on the line that helped connect the region and fuel the growth of the American West. Later, it evolved into a bustling hub on Route 66, the iconic highway that connected Chicago to Los Angeles. This is Angel Delgadillo's snow-capped drive-in. It has been a Route 66 staple since 1953. This place isn't just a restaurant, it's an experience. Looking at the building, it's like something out of a cartoon, covered in quirky decorations and funny signs. And here's a cool fact. In 2022, they set a Guinness World Record with 266 different milkshake flavors. While most towns faded away after Route 66 was bypassed by the interstate in the 70s, this community managed to keep its spirit alive. That's thanks to locals like Angel Delgadillo, who is affectionately known as the guardian angel of Route 66. He helped revive Seligman into a nostalgic hotspot for travelers looking to experience the true spirit of the Mother Road. Angel was originally a barber by trade. They say his place was the original Route 66 gift shop here. This is Angel and Vilma's Route 66 gift shop. It's packed with souvenirs and memorabilia that celebrate the highway and the town's unique history. The Rusty Bolt is a cool go-to spot. It's covered in mannequins and Route 66 memorabilia. Great for fun photos and unique gifts to take home. As you stroll down the commercial historic district, you'll find early 20th century buildings like the Pitt's General Store and the Pioneer Hall and Theater. Another must-see is the historic Sundries, one of the oldest buildings here, dating back to 1904. Now it's a visitor center and vintage soda fountain, perfect for grabbing a quick drink and soaking in the old-time vibe. These are listed on the National Register of Historic Places, and walking these streets gives you a real feel for what life was like here over 100 years ago. This town inspired Radiator Springs and Disney's Pixar Cars because of its story of decline and comeback after Interstate 40 bypassed Route 66. The movie's producer, John Lasseter, learned about Angel Delgadillo, who helped save the community and the highway. If you explore behind a few of the shops and diners, you'll discover vibrant murals and hand-painted signs tucked out of sight from the main road. Locals say many of these were created by traveling artists who traded their artwork for a meal or a place to sleep. Whether you're a Route 66 enthusiast or a history buff, or just looking for a unique travel experience, this town offers a wonderful blend of nostalgia and charm. From quirky diners to historic landmarks, including its roots as a railroad town, there really is something for everyone in this iconic Arizona spot. So that wraps up our tour of this small town with a big personality and an essential stop for anyone traveling Route 66. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.